In this guide, we're going over how you could check deleted photos in Snapchat. Before we do get into this guide, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel with all notifications on. It really does help the channel and it lets us know that you want more content like this. We'd greatly appreciate it. And if at any point throughout this guide you had any questions, just ask them down in the comment section below and we can help you out further. I'm going to be doing my best to reply to every single comment down there. But first things first, open up Snapchat and then tap on your profile icon up in the top left. Then you need to tap the gear setting up in the top right. Scroll down on here, look for privacy controls and select my data. And this is going to allow you to request a copy of your Snapchat data, including memories, chat history, media, and other account information. So select the data that you need on here. I'd recommend doing your files as well as your memories, just like so, as well as maybe your chat media down at the very bottom and other media. Hit next on this page, and I'd recommend putting all time on here, but if you have a specific time that you're looking for, you can also do that as well. Let's just say all time, and then you need to confirm your email down at the very bottom. Hit submit after that, and once you go in and do that, Snapchat's going to download a file, send it to that email, and once you get it, download it, unzip it, look for saved photos or videos. You can also check memories inside of Snapchat by tapping the memories icon from the camera screen. We can look through snaps, camera roll, stories, my eyes only. But finally, check your phone backups like your iCloud photos or Google Photos because Snapchat photos sometimes save there as well. But that is the full process. If you guys had any questions, ask them down in the comment section below and we can help you out further. I'm going to be doing my best to reply to every single comment down there. Before you do leave this guide, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel with all notifications on. It really does help us out. Let us know that you want more content. Have a great rest of your day though. Peace.